Hello.
Hello.
So, we have a goal. We want to see every little corner of Singapore, and for now, because most of the things are not available, we are focused on parks. And we're exploring parks around our area for now. Today it's a Hort park, and we're gonna also do the forest walk. It's a really nice bridge that it's actually very high, so it's what we saw in the pictures, so you can see really beautiful view. And maybe it starts actually. You can see part of it here.
Connects two parks.
It's also a park connector. If we have more time, maybe we even see one more park today. If not, but the goal is to see all the parks of Singapore in the nearest future, and then we already have favorites, and we continue to see other things, and then we come back to the ones that we like. But let's explore Hort Park today. So here we start the floral walk. It's a walk around the park. Nice name. Nice. So Hort Park is all about gardening. There are some pavilions where new technologies are being tested, how to find new solutions, how to better grow more efficient. Look, nice vertical gardens, beautiful. Twice there was garden tech in 2007 and 2009 took place here. I think specialists from all over the world come and demonstrate and share their knowledge during garden tech in garden solutions, innovations. But it's also just really nice and peaceful park, very beautiful. Of course, now all the pavilions are closed, but we're really here for the nature. I don't know much about gardening, so I guess I wouldn't be able to enjoy it anyways to the full extent.
Mama, stop!
There's so many really nice little corners, you know, where you can go hide yourself, rest a little bit in the shade. There's so many cute little corners of this park, really discreet, you know, where you can just walk in, enjoy the nature, stay by yourself, rest in the shade. I really like places like this. It has so many little tiny roads. Look at this amazing idea. It's a little place to come and enjoy birds singing. This must be really amazing experience if a lot of birds come. There is such a cool area here for kids, plus for it's little potter's workshop. You can actually bring your kids to do gardening here. This is great. Look, it's entire huge area for children. We're definitely coming back when all of this is open. This is great. Much more, look. One more playground. This is a gardening spot for kids. Coming. There's actually even much more. Look, one more big playground for children. Such a cool park. Here we're coming back definitely. Plant and do nursery. Plant and do nursery. It's amazing. Cute. Yeah, this is definitely a great place for kids of our age. Leo is 2 and he can really enjoy this park as well. And then she's 4. This is citrus area and you can even smell the aroma is so nice. I really like citrus. Ah, and therapeutic garden also has this kind of like resting area, and I guess citrus and bird part was also related to the therapeutic garden because you can smell nice aromas, you can hear birds. When all of this is functioning, it should be amazing to spend time here, because even now it's really nice. This is a part of the garden that is maintained by volunteers, but also people can rent plots and do their own gardening here. And here is edible garden. Here many things are eatable. Look at this, cute. What a huge tree, so beautiful. It gives such a nice shade. So we have already discussed, we're definitely coming back to this park. This one impressed us. So we came back and now we're gonna take a walk on this bridge. It should be very beautiful. Let's see. It's quite a big bridge actually. I've seen some photos on the sunset when people are walking around here. It looks very beautiful. But for us it's more practical in the morning with kids. Plus, because there are a lot of trees around, can be a bit too many mosquitoes in the evening. Hey, careful! Okay, it's rehydrating stop. It's now 11:30 and it's super hot. It's really, and most of the bridge is in the sun, so it's not an easy walk, but definitely beautiful. For sure we're coming back. We're gonna bring our families, friends here, right? When we have visitors. This is awesome. But
2021.
but what we need to do is probably leave the house like at 8 to get the most out of it, to be able to spend more time in parks and not to feel very warm. Left or right?
No, it's 1.6 kilometers. All holograph.
Very tempting, very tempting. 1.6, it's a good 30-minute walk. Okay. Now kids decided to disassemble their rollers and they're fixing them. We have another, a bit more than 1 kilometer to go, but 1.5. How is it called when a car on a race stops for a technical... Huh? Pit stop. We have a pit stop right now for our rollers. It goes up and up all the time. We made a mistake. We should have started up and go downhill. Honestly, it feels like really like hiking because it's almost 12 already. Really hot. We have to push baby cars uphill. So I think exercise for today and tomorrow is done. But we're going higher and higher, and this is really so beautiful. No, we're really happy we came to this park. Really enjoying, even being so tired already.
I got it.
We can do it. So we came all the way until this park. There is still continuation of that bridge, but we would have to find it, but for us it's enough. Leo, stop. Hey. Stop. No. From here we're gonna take a cab, and next time maybe we will come all the way here with a cab and then walk around this new park that we haven't visited yet, and then go down with the bridge. Anyways, in this area there's so much to see that we will need to spend quite a few days, little by little, to discover everything. So stay tuned, and little by little we will discover together entire Singapore. And yeah, for now, as I said, main priority is parks. So we're discovering all the possible parks and trails for walks and hiking, and yeah. Thank you for being with us, and until next time. Bye bye, guys.